Welcome to Selling Kansas City on American Dream TV. We are Stephanie Bulcock and Jennifer Weaver with the Collective at Compass, and we are so excited to bring you behind the scenes, sharing the stories of the city that we love.
We are more than Midwestern charm. Kansas City has been recognized as the best place to raise a family for years. On today's episode, we are excited to share the revitalization of Kansas City, and we have a fun tour planned for you today.
All right, let's go. Over the past few years, home has had a different definition for people. It's all about how it makes you feel. We are so excited today that we are at with Chrissy and Jeff Huff. Today's episode is all about the revitalization of Kansas City. Thank you for joining us on Selling Kansas City.
Thank you.
So first of all, let's hear about your story.
Well, we've been in business for about 10 years, and it started in a little bitty space in the West Bottoms, and it grew really fast. So I love having a store that focuses on being an eclectic mix, and so we have vintage here, we have new, we have some mid-age. One of the biggest things that I am noticing right now is that we are really going to see a lot of natural feeling come back into the home. So I think you're going to see a lot of copper this year,
cool.
which is a real big surprise.
I can get behind that.
Yeah, so that's a really interesting trend that I've really got my eye on right now.
As we continue to talk about the revitalization of Kansas City, one of the most compelling visual components is coming through architecture as people are transforming their house and home. So let's go check out one of the newest homes commanding space on the Kansas City skyline. We're in Westside, and we're getting ready to reveal a glimpse of the brilliantly artistic mind of Troy Moore.
On today's episode of Selling Kansas City, we are talking all about the revitalization of Kansas City. So Troy, tell us, what does the revitalization of Kansas City mean to you, and how did that inspire you when building this home?
So we moved here about 25 years ago, and downtown used to be a place that you just never went. And it's really been really exciting to see it grow, and we wanted to be a part of it. So I really had full design freedom on this house. Not only is it a residence for my wife and I, but we also home office here. This, of course, is our mantra. We feel like if you can dream it, we can help you design it and build it, and really that's what we're all about. I really wanted to infuse some traditional elements in the house too. I didn't want it to just be shiny and modern and contemporary. I really wanted to ground it with some traditional elements. So we've got heavier baseboard moldings, we've got paneled doors. So this is a Moroccan, like sealed black Moroccan tile that I thought the texture was kind of cool. So we wanted to light it on three sides. So welcome to the Sky Bar.
Yeah, cocktails on the Sky Bar. What an amazing place to end your day.
Yes.
I just love being out here and just feeling the energy of this city. You know, we love the city. They've done such a fantastic job on the revitalization.
They have.
Encouraging businesses and homeowners and remodelers to come in, come back downtown.
It's just the energy is so great, and we just are so lucky to be a part of it.
Absolutely.
And hope we're contributing, you know?
This is Selling Kansas City with Jennifer and Stephanie from the Collective at Compass, and we look forward to seeing you again on American Dream TV.